Hi viewers, welcome to Market Day. Today we're preparing goodies for my son's Market Day. The guy in red is the entrepreneur. He really loved this day and the goodies. His customers too. We basically have all and sundry covered in chocolate and all things colorful and sweet. Kids love chocolate art, and all things work for good here. Well, almost. Because even if the tiny little hand was to make a mistake, it can be turned around. And the ingredients are chocolate, brown, dark brown, and white chocolate, marshmallows, apples and pear, biscuit, strawberries, hundreds and thousands and others, chopsticks, and skewers. How you do this is you drive in the chopsticks into your apples, pears, and strawberries. I kind of prefer the chopsticks because they look good and they're also more secure. But you can also use hard skewers. Just be gentle because you don't want your fruit to fall off the stick. Especially with these fragile cuties here. Do not put your chocolate pot directly on the stove. Rather put your chocolate pot into boiling water where it's going to melt gradually. It is quite tricky to work with chocolate. Hence, you see me dipping the fruit while the chocolate is still gradually melting. That fruit is very cold coming from the fridge. That helps with the setting. Another thing that would help with the setting is to have some gentle air fanned onto the fruit. I'm using a tomato sauce bottle for decoration. Imperfections can be decorated over, so don't worry. Now with the biscuit, I put a marshmallow on top of one biscuit and heat it for about 5 seconds in the microwave before I stick the other biscuit over. They all stick together so that we're able to stick a skewer in between once it's set. And voila! From me to you, it's bon appetit. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. To the kids out there, happy Market Day!